Number 47. What are rules for defining a linear function when given an equation? It's the same answer as the other one. The x and y values must have a constant rate of change. Number 48, the cost of a book at Odyssey's Gifts is $6. The function f of x equals 6x. Give the cost of x books. Identify the domain, range, and graph of this function. Okay, usually when we have this, we'll put the domain and range, or our x and our y. Usually our domain is 0, 1, 2, 3, and our function is 6x, so 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18. Notice that this would have direct variation because the 0 term is equal to 0. When your starting number is 0, they have direct variation, and the cross products are equal, aren't they? 2 times 18 is 36, 12 times 3 is 36, 1 times 18 is 18, 6 times 3 is 18. So the table is proportional because it has direct variation. This would graph a line that goes through the origin, and it would go up 6 and over 1. So it would go up 6 over 1. This would be 12 and 2. It would go up 6 over 1 would be your function. And lastly, number 49. Mark has to travel a distance of 400 miles. He travels at a speed of 50 miles per hour. The function 400 minus 50x represents the distance he has to travel after x hours. Identify the graph that describes this function and its intercepts. What does each intercept represent? If you were to graph this, it would start at the 400. The y-intercept would be the starting distance. Okay, to get x equals 0, we would have to do 400 minus 50 times 8, which would be 0. So when x is 8, y is 0, so this would be at 8. So the line would go like this. And at 8, that's the time needed to finish 400 miles. Our y-axis would be distance, and our x-axis would be time.